mosquito here. I didn't want to kill him. I did think about capturing him, see if he did some, you know, some weird mosquito. But then I see this spider here coming fucking down, from here, like jumps over this thing and just assaults this motherfucking mosquito. Here you have it. Like, come on, focus on the stream, man. But this is why I sometimes, it's fucking blurry as fuck. This is why I sometimes mostly don't kill my creatures in my house. Just let them be, so this is one of those hunter spiders, and it fucking grabbed this mosquito. Oh, what the hey? It's not a mosquito. What? The spider's gone. What the fuck happened there? It's not a mosquito, and it's just chilling. What the hell? See? Sometimes I guess I'm crazy. It's not a problem, right? Everybody's crazy sometimes. Alright, it was not a mosquito, it's just a weird fly thing, apparently. And, the spider, I was just tripping. Alright, cheers.